Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanchi and today I'm going to take you on a tour to a charming town named Lunenburg. Lunenburg is a port town on the south shore of Canada. It is founded in 1753, depicting the 1800s with its cheerful colors. Lunenburg is Canada's largest secondary fish processing plant. The core of the town is also known as a National Historic Site of Canada. UNESCO designated it a World Heritage Site because the Bluenose, the most famous ship in Canadian history, was born there. Today, the Bluenose can be found on the Canadian 10-cent coin. The Bluenose was a fishing and racing vessel built with Nova Scotian material in Lunenburg. She was launched in 1921 and won in many championships, earning many medals. She was never beaten in her native waters and continued championships till the 1930s. The Bluenose was wrecked in Hades. So Bluenose 2, the ship you see now, was built to respect the original Bluenose. We got a chance to visit Bluenose too. Before heading back home, we went to the Bluenose Company store and saw lots of cool things to buy. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye!